Welcome to my channel. Today is a different type of video because I'm having one of my dance based workshops. Today it is the last day of the 3-day workshop that I am doing for college in Michigan, and I'm also going to share with you behind the scenes my day getting ready. I already got ready and now I am doing last minute prep as well as my own work. So I'll be attending a meeting and then heading out to the college, so you can follow along and then you can see what the rest of my day looks like, as well as get a sneak peek into the workshops that I am doing across the country. Hello. I'll be there in 5. Thank you. So my cab is here. I will be heading out. I'm just packing up, and before I do that, I'll show you what I'm wearing. So basically I was supposed to get this white salwar, like a bottom, which I didn't get, to pair with a peach colored kurti, but I have a black one, so it wasn't working. It was clashing and I wouldn't feel very comfortable wearing something I would normally not wear, which is peach and black. So I took this other dress which I have, which has an Indian print, and I paired it with the salwar. If you can see it here, let me show it to you. So this is my outfit. It's a dress, which is a dress on its own, and I had that black salwar, which I wore it because it's not clashing. It's a hollow neck Indian print dress, and then I have paired it with my brand new jutis which mom helped me pick. So let's go. The outcome of today's workshop is going to be that you're going to come up with some dance steps of your own based on what I teach and what you've seen the other day, and your own imagination and group effort to come up with your own steps and present it up on stage. Sounds cool? It's not as difficult as it sounds right now. You'll see what I mean by that. Yesterday's group did a great job. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so watch this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this one. I was fine. Woo! Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, so I'm back in my hotel and now I am going to back because I'm going to leave tomorrow to travel to another city for a conference. And so what I'm going to do is pack, and then after that I'm going to sit in my bed, watch some YouTube videos, listen to some music, do some work, and get ready for tomorrow because I have an early flight. So I decided to jam to a little bit of classical Indian music. So that was me singing out my heart and my lungs to this music piece. And I decided to continue working here. And for me, like when I apply makeup, taking that makeup off, it seems like a huge task, and that's why I'm postponing everything, postponing that till the very last minute, and I'm doing everything possible before I have to do this dreadful task. So let's see what I do next. I managed to muster some courage and get my makeup off, and I'm in bed. I'm going to do a couple of emails and finish up, tie up all the work that I've been doing over the past 3 days at this college. And yeah, I'm actually announcing a new workshop, dance workshop, where we are going to learn choreography. It's going to be an online 4-hour workshop. So if you're also interested in learning any of an Odissi choreography, then let me know in the comments below and I'll send you the details. Okay, so have a great night, and I'll see you later. Bye.